Okay, so I couldn't get video of it, but this absolute chunk just like stole my bait, and like he didn't even fight hardly. Lord, Terry absolutely swallowed the chatterbait, and as you can see, this is my PB for absolute certain. It's my PB, so we're gonna get a couple of shots of him after I unhook him. Okay, this is our chunk here. Freaking, this is a beast fish for me. That's my PB for sure. There's our absolute chunk of the day. That's a big one. Holy jeez. I mean, just look at this fish. All right, we're gonna get this fish released. He's a monster. Here on the little tiny trout spinner, got a little bluegill. Pink, nice little one, little baby one. Not bad, not bad. So, oh man, camera angle's wrong. If you have one lure you'd go swimming for, like you'd go in the water to get it back once you snagged it, what would it be? One thing you own, like if you have a lure that you love, which one would you dive in the water to get? Or do you just think it's not worth it for a little piece of plastic? Personally for me, that's either gotta be this chatterbait or my big old whopper plopper.
And here's where I messed up for the day. It's fixable, but still very avoidable.
I have a problem. I just snapped my rod.